There's a monster in my house.
Girls, Uncle Chris is on his way.
Oh no. He's just so loud.
In a voice so scary and deep.
Hey girls, how you doing? This your favorite uncle? What's going on?
He still thinks I'm 3 years old.
Are you having a lot of fun in preschool?
He always mentions that teddy bear he gave me 5 years ago.
So, do you like that teddy bear I got for your birthday?
I am so sick and tired of doing that stupid thing.
Hey girls, let's do our thing. Yeah, woo, woohoo. Come here, give me a hug.
I shake and scream with fear.
I hate when he picks me up. I think he's gonna drop me.
There's a monster in my house, and it's coming after me. There's a monster in my house. There's a monster in my house.